Oh my God, look at the big barely beast. Oh my gosh, the beast. Oh my gosh. Kai, oh my gosh. Kai, unmute your mic, you idiot. Kai, look at me. Kai, look at me. Unmute your mic, you idiot. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, he's going for more. Holy crap. Then he puts it in the refrigerator? What else? What does he does after? What does he does after? He opens up the... Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That's scary. Imagine sleeping, knowing anything that you have that's a sort of food just laying around could be gone in seconds. That is scary to think about. And chat, that is the reason why I am sending Jamal to Dagestan.